You know you're in trouble when two Sableyes just pop out of nowhere. Hey, 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 hey. Stop that twitching. Stop that twitching. I've never seen two Sableyes in one spot before. That's rare. And they're in the ring. Okay, I'm gonna give you some home. I'm gonna give you guys a home. How about that? Man's having a conversation with his wireless headphones. None of them were shiny, for the record. I checked. I'm looking for a golden one. Okay, I might need an ultra ball for that. Yes, difficult to catch these guys are, unless they're in the missions. There you go. Gotcha. Home sweet home for you little guys. Yeah, get you out of ring too. Ooh, close to an excellent shot. So close to an excellent shot. In the Pokeball you go. Ultra Ball, Great Ball. I mentioned every other ball, but the one not that. Alright. It's raining, it's pouring, and I'm missing out on shiny Mewtwo's that are turning lonely. Come battle me. Nobody wants to. I can't do things by myself.